Welcome to my video, you guys. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like and comment down below. Let me know what other video you guys would like to see. Today I'm going to be doing a simple wash and go for you guys. Right now I'm just spraying my hair with plain water and a spray bottle. No conditioner added, anything, just plain old water, you guys, from the sink. It's neither hot or cold, it's room temperature water. There you go, as you can tell, nothing's in it. And basically what I'm doing is just spraying down all over my hair, and I'm gonna do a nice detangling for it. It's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna start combing it from the ends up to the root, as opposed from the root down to the end, because if you comb it from the root to your ends, it will take out all your hair. So yeah, comb it from the end, ladies. Comb it on from the end on up. It's much easier to detangle there. Also, you guys, you ladies, I don't know why I keep calling you guys ladies. I have no idea what type of hair I have. If you have any knowledge in that area, let me know in the comments section down below. I have sort of a clue what type hair I have, maybe a 4. I just don't know if it's a A, B, or C. Like I said, if you know, let me know. I would love to know. It's very curly, as you can tell. Yeah, so I'm just spraying it down very good. That way I can just comb it on out very easily. Combing it from the ends, like I said, combing it from the ends all the way up to the root of my hair. So I got the back end combed out now. Very quick fact, fun fact, I'm African American mixed with Indian, and I have some German in me, so that's why my hair is so good. See the curls? I need to know what type of curls I have, what's that texture I have. I know it's a 4, but I don't know the type 4 I have. Yeah. I get stopped a lot asking how do I have my hair like this, as if I'm foreign or something. I'm just natural. Been natural for years, but maybe like 7 years. I have absolutely nothing in my hair. I use no chemicals, no perms, no texturizer, no sprays, no gels, nothing. Okay, so as I sit here and comb out the front of my hair, as you see, very much easier to comb out as opposed to the back because it's been in there for a while, you guys. Just spraying a lot of water really helps that out. The detangle process is much quicker. And that's the shredding from all 3 sections of my hair. Before it used to be way worse. I've gotten better because, like I said, comb from the end up to the root. All that beautiful hair. There are times I do want to cut my hair, but I've been told, you know, girl, don't you cut that hair. Crazy, stupid if you cut that hair. In a way, I see why, but they don't have to deal with it. I have to deal with it. I have to take care of it and manage it. I'm not gonna cut it, you guys. It's just a phase that I go through every once in a while. My natural sisters, you know what I'm talking about. Trust me, it's a lot of work to have all this hair. It's so much work. My arms are tired, but I'm fighting through the pain. I'm fighting through it, but everything is combed out. That's my business, man. He's trying to tell me what to do. Yeah. I'm just trying to get this video done out the way, you guys. I'm just trying to get it over with. I'm already tired. Got my kids in the background. You know, thank God I can mute that out. Being the mother of 3 is very hard, but I'm managing. Okay, and now I'm using the Suave Professionals shampoo and conditioner line, the Rosemary and Matte. And ladies, it smells so good, so good. I usually use Cream of Nature shampoo. I don't really condition my hair like that, but I thought I'd just go ahead and do it because it's been a while. I say about 2 or 3 months since I've done a conditioning. I really need to do a deep conditioning as well. The next video I'm gonna do a deep conditioning and show you exactly which deep conditioner that I use. So right now I'm gonna be parting my hair in 4 sections and I'm gonna plait it back out. I'm gonna spray it with water once again and plait it out so I can go ahead and do my washing in the shower. And as I'm in the shower, I'm gonna comb it back out again, condition it and comb it out, detangle it once again, and I'm gonna come back and show you the results. Okay, so I'm on the very last section that I'm gonna comb out and plait once again, very last time before I go in and give it a good wash and condition. Like I said, let me know in the comment section down below the type of hair I have, because I really would like to know. That way I can get more knowledge and do more, better videos for you guys. For the ones exactly that has the hair type as me, I can test out the different shampoos and the products for the naturals. I don't use no relaxers. Like I said, I'm all natural. I would like to try out the natural products they do have, like all natural, things like that. I want to do the protective styling. Give me some ideas, you guys, in the comment section below. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see, and I'll drop them to you. There you have it, 4 sections. Okay, I'm back out of the shower, and I let it air dry for about, say, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I don't apply any heat. I don't blow dry my hair at all. When I do, I use heat protectant so I don't have any damage to my hair. Finishing product. Sorry if I'm moving very slow. I'm talking to my kids. And my hair feels so refreshed. The conditioner makes it feel so much smoother, very much easier to comb. You'll see. Yes, ladies, the shrinkage is very real. Too long. But that's basically all that I do. I just unravel it and I finger comb throughout my hair, and that is my simple wash and go. Like I said, after I condition it, it's very easy to comb out. This instance, I'm not using the comb, I'm using my fingers, as opposed to earlier it was just much harder. I try to do wash and condition every other week, or maybe once a week. I try not to do once a week, it's too much for my hair. But there you have it. That's the results of my wash and go. Very simple. Check out those curls, ladies. Check out those curls. I'm feeling lovely right now. I'm feeling myself. Really feeling myself. I had to get on Snapchat real quick and show them. But if you're not following me on Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook, follow me right now. Your girl will follow back. So that's the end of the video. If you like what you saw, like the video, comment down below. And I will be sure to bring more videos for you guys, more hair videos. I'm too much. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also, you guys. Like I said, I'll be bringing more videos for you guys to see. And I'll catch you later.